Hey guys, welcome back to landdhome. In today's video, we are going to be testing some cleaning hacks that I found on Pinterest using some very unconventional products. Let's go ahead and jump right on in. Our first cleaning hack is one I actually use all the time, and that is to remove all of the built up dust off of my lampshades. Simple fix for this is to grab yourself a lint roller. This one was $3 from Big Lots, and just start rolling all of that lint right off. This is super easy peasy and literally takes minutes probably to do all of the lampshades in your entire home. And as you can see, one side is nice and perfect and the other side is still full of dust. I also wanted to show you this on a lighter colored lampshade that didn't have as much texture to it. This is a white lampshade. I did the same exact thing, and you can see that line right in the middle where all of a sudden the clean turns into dusty. So this is a great hack. Our next cleaning hack was completely new to me, and that is to remove scratches off of your stainless steel appliances. Here I'm just showing you one of the scratches that I have, and the trick is apparently to use some whitening toothpaste and a toothbrush or a rag. So this is the toothpaste that me and my husband usually use. I just took a rag and I put in some elbow grease, went in circular motions, and tried to scrub out this scratch. To get that sticky residue off, I did use a little bit of cleaner, just a quick spray, and a clean rag just to kind of buff everything out because obviously the toothpaste super sticky. I will say this does lighten the scratch, but it didn't completely take the scratch away. It's really hard to film and show stainless steel because it reflects every ounce of light in the room, but I did try to go over it one more time. And like I said, it definitely helps fade that scratch, but if you have a really deep scratch, I don't know that it's going to completely get rid of it because even after 2 times on our stainless steel refrigerator, I could still see the scratch, but it definitely was a big improvement from what it was. I decided to try another stainless steel spot, and this time I used different toothpaste and a toothbrush that I use for cleaning. Now this scratch is pretty deep in there. This is our stainless steel dishwasher, and this gets dinged up a lot. So I thought maybe the toothbrush would help really get in there. So I just did a lot of scrubbing. Again, did a clean rag and a little spritz of cleaner because that toothpaste incredibly sticky, and this one didn't lessen the scratch quite as much. This was a deeper scratch though, so it did fade it just a little bit, but as you can see, that scratch is still there after lots of scrubbing. But if you want to fade a scratch, this might work. Next up, we're hopping to the bathroom to see if we can defog these mirrors. I'm going to be using the Dawn Power Wash, which I use all the time in the kitchen, but I have heard that if you put it on your bathroom mirrors, rub it and buff it all in, that when you have that hot shower running, it will not fog up as much. I felt really silly here. I also have a mirror in my shower that is kind of pointless because it fogs up all the time. So I can't really see what I'm doing when I wash my face or wash my hair. So I tried it on that as well. I then just turned on that water really, really hot, and we do not have a vent fan in our master bathroom. So I went ahead and turned that water on really hot, shut the door, and then went back in later to turn that hot water off. And boy, was it steamy in there. I absolutely love this hack. Now you can see all of the water on the mirror because we don't have any ventilation in here, but it was pretty crystal clear, and usually you can't see in the mirrors at all whatsoever after you get out of the shower because of all that fog. So I was really impressed with this hack on both of the mirrors in our bathroom, and I would highly recommend this cleaning solution. We are staying in the bathroom for these next 2 cleaning hacks, and this first one is shocking. Mayonnaise, guys, real mayonnaise. I actually had to buy this because we don't actually have real mayonnaise in the house. This is supposed to help you clean any rust off of your porcelain tub. And I thought, well, I've been working on this spot, if you know, in my shower forever, and I had actually made it worse by using a Brillo pad. So the mayonnaise did take up the part that I had made worse, but it didn't clean it any further. and it was disgusting. The whole bathroom smelled like mayonnaise, and honestly, I thought I was going to like hurl. I was gagging, and I could not wait to get done with this and rinse it all off. So I would not recommend this if you're sensitive to smells. The next hack is actually one that was recommended by a viewer. She left a comment telling me that we needed to try lemon. So I decided to go for the 100% lemon juice, thinking I would have this whole bottle to use for cleaning instead of just buying a lemon and then having to discard it and throw it away. I will say the lemon juice kind of ran all over the place, so I decided to take a piece of toilet paper, soak that toilet paper in the lemon juice, and kind of let it sit and marinate for a little bit. Then I came back, I pulled up that toilet paper and squeezed out all of that excess lemon juice so I could still use that for cleaning. And it did remove a little bit of the spot. But I really think, honestly, I should have tried that real lemon. I am wondering if an actual lemon is more acidic and will cut through that stain better than this bottled lemon juice. But it did lighten it just a tad, but it wasn't working quite as well as I hoped. So I decided to bust out the baking soda because baking soda is really good for cleaning. And I decided to make a mixture of the baking soda and the lemon juice. The foam really helped me scrub some of this spot away, and it was probably the thing that has worked the absolute best so far on this tub. Now, the spot is still there. It is not gone. I am convinced at this point it's just going to be there for the rest of the time we own this home, but it did come up some. Stay tuned for a short because I think I'm actually going to get real lemons from the store and make a short on our YouTube channel about it to see if I can finally get any of this spot up. But while you finish watching this process, I want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you check out the video and the playlist on the screen and smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family and see more cleaning videos.